What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JD Live, and I'm live in effect, man. And today, y'all see the title of the video. I figured this video can help some of you guys out right now during everything that's going on. I know the epidemic right now, the pandemic. People are, having to file unemployment, and people are in quarantine, and money is tight right now. So I figure I'll make this video to try to help somebody out there, man. So I got two apps on my cell phone that I make money from in my spare time while I'm under quarantine, chilling in the crib. And I figured if you guys are under quarantine, you guys currently are filed unemployment, you guys are not able to work right now, or not making any money, you can be making money right off your cell phone in your spare time while you're just chilling in your house. So I wanted to make this video to try to help out some people and hope it's very valuable and informative. So before we get into it, man, hit the like well for the channel. Just hit that like button. And also comment and click the red subscribe button if you are watching my video for the very first time, or just watching me for the very first time, or just stumble upon this channel. Typically on this channel is mainly, entertainment and, helpful videos. So this is one of the helpful videos I want to put out for y'all. So yeah, first thing we're going to be talking about is actually stock market. Now, you could actually be making money right now in the stock market. Now, you're probably wondering, well, I heard the stock market is a crash right now. It's going downhill. People are losing their money. Why would I invest in the stock market? Well, I'm going to pull up my app right now. I invest in the stock market using a brokerage account app called Robinhood. So I'm going to go to the Robinhood app right on my iPhone. Let me put the screen recording so y'all can actually see it. Let me count down real fast. 3, 2, 1. And right here, type in my passcode. Right now, currently, I am investing in the stock market. I'm actually up today. I'm only up like 49 cents. I didn't invest a whole lot of money in the stock market, but I got a call place, I got Uber, and I got a share of Ford right now. But I invested I think it was around $69, $70. I'm up $71, so I'm making money in the stock market. But by any means necessary, I'm going to let you guys know this right now. It's not guaranteed that you're going to make a lot of money in the stock market. Obviously, you guys know that the stock market goes down and it goes back up. But if you know what you're doing and you place the right bet, you get shares of a stock and it goes up, you can make a lot of money in the stock market right off your cell phone. It's the way to make some extra side income for your guys' self. Or there's people that actually do day trading professionally every single day, and they turn that into their full-time thing. So it's really up to you. It depends on your knowledge, depends on how much you're willing to put the work in and actually study and self-educate yourself to learn these things. But if you do, you can really profit a lot in the stock market, man. So I'm going to leave a link down below in the description so you guys can actually get a free stock. So if you click the link down below in the description and you sign up with Robinhood and you just invest maybe like a cent. You don't have to invest like $1. Invest like a cent into the stock market. You will get a free stock and I will get a free stock. And that stock value can be all the way up to $300. So, and it can be any stock. It can be Apple, the big companies, Uber, Microsoft. It could be anything. So take advantage of that. So yeah, like I said, you could be making money right off your cell phone by investing your money into the stock market. You can definitely become profitable, earn money. So you're giving your money a job. You're allowing your money to work for you, in a sense. But if you know what you're doing, you can be profitable in this situation rather than, losing money. Of course, you can lose money in the stock market, but the stock market always goes ups and downs. So if you can sell your stock when it's going up, you will become profitable. That's what you have to watch the market and watch how it goes up and watch how it goes down. Just really pay attention to it, and you can definitely make a profit and be good. So yeah, you could also invest into like individual stocks. You could invest in you could buy a share of like an individual stock, or you can also put like call options or put options. A call option is when you're betting that the stock will go up, and you're buying a contract of 100 shares in one stock. So when you buy that, you're spending, you're getting into the stock cheaper in a sense. Like you're spending less money but owning more of the stock. So you're spending less money owning 100 shares of a stock rather than investing in individual stocks, only buying a couple, some shares in individual stock. But obviously, if you're doing that, the shares are more money. So Yeah, like for Uber, one share of a Uber stock is $25. Instead, you can get like a call option. You could probably spend $25 to own 100 shares in the company. You see the difference? So it just depends on the stock, the company itself. But and also a put is when you're betting that the stock will go down. When the stock goes down, you'll make a profit. So you can make a profit whether the stock is going up or the stock is going down. Or you can just invest into individual stocks, you know. So it's really up to you. It's by you, you know, self-educating yourself, studying and watching some YouTube videos, reading some courses, reading some books. And if you can watch the stock market, learn it, know when it's going back up, knowing when it's going back down, you could really play the stock market into your advantage and make a lot of money. So you can be making money right off your cell phone. Now, the second thing I want to talk about, I'm going to turn my app back on again. And I'm going to talk about an app where you can be making money by literally playing video games. You can play video games right off your cell phone and you can make money. Like, I guess like gaming apps, not video games, like, you know, not with a controller or gaming system, like actual apps that have games on it. So I'm going to show you guys right now. Let me turn my screen recorder back on. 3, 2, 1. And I got this app called Money App. Robinhood and the Money App, I'm going to put the link both down below in the description for both. But Money App, you can get onto the Apple Store. Simply, that's how you spell it, MONEYAPP, Money App. And you can download this app. And this app has tasks, right? Currently, right now, I have 30 coins. But the way that you can cash out on this, you can cash out in PayPal money. So if you like playing games, if you're a game person and you're really, you don't really got nothing to do in your crib, in your apartment, your house, and you got spare time, you can be playing games, you know, reaching up to levels. And when you get to a certain level, you can earn coins and you can cash those coins into PayPal money to transfer it into your bank account. So yeah, like for example, right, the Money App right here, complete level 100, new users only, you earn 11,000 coins. And so on and so forth. They got a bunch of tasks, a bunch of apps. If you got to read that description, and if you meet that criteria, you earn a certain amount of coins that's to the right. So let me show y'all the rewards. So right here, if you get 5,000 credits, 5,000 coins by playing games, you get $5 PayPal. You get 10,000 credits, you get $10 PayPal. $20 PayPal if you get 20,000 credits. $50 PayPal if you get 50,000 credits. So if you like playing games and you're really good at games and you know how to strategize and you can just be playing games all day and you get to the certain level, you meet the certain criteria, you can literally cash out PayPal money. And PayPal money, y'all know y'all can put that in y'all bank account. So you can be making money right off your cell phone by playing video games. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. You can make money by investing into the stock market while it's going down right now. A lot of people are buying stocks right now, especially because the stock market is going down, but eventually it's going to go right back up. So people are trying to invest right now and buy the stocks are really cheap too. Stocks are very, very cheap now. Everybody's trying to get stocks right now. It's like the Christmas of stocks. Stocks are very cheap. People are trying to buy low and sell high, and that's what you can be doing right off your cell phone, investing into the stock market and getting the piece of the pie. So yeah, man, with the gaming app, if you like playing games, you can be playing games on your cell phone. You can be making money as well, cash it out, and put it into your bank account. But if this video was valuable, this video helped you guys at all, please hit the like button for me. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. I wanted to help you guys out in some way. You know, this is really tough times right now. People are really going through it with losing their jobs and, you know, just having to be quarantined, being in the house. So I just figured if you want to make a little side money or, you know, you could just use apps, make some money. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this. I hope you guys watched this entire video. If you did, man, let me know in the comments, man. Comment down below more videos y'all want to see me put out on this channel. Definitely trying to help you guys out some more and make you guys laugh some more, entertain you guys. So that's what I provide on this channel, that type of content. So if you like that, hit the subscribe button because I will be posting more. We'll be posting bangers during the summer, so you already know what time it is, man. And yeah, I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Let's touch.